Calculate our embrace. Hold on. Right away out of space with me. Listen for time will see us realign. Lilipad ako kasama ng mga siraulo. Ano bang nakikita mo? Dahil lahat ramo. Minneapolis, are you ready? Good evening to the world. Before we start, we shall play the anthems of the Philippines and the United States to be led by the Able Media Philharmonic Orchestra. gentlemen, live from the US Bank Stadium in Minneapolis, Minnesota, USA, OJR Productions and TGON Sports, along with the TBH Group of Networks, AS Media, and Sandoval Media, are proud to present the main event of the night, 8 rounds of boxing for the ODR Lightweight Championship of the World. Sponsored by NationTel, the Philippines' leading mobile network, Stream, and DLX Karaoke. Sing your heart out. Ladies and gentlemen, at ringside, the 3 judges scoring this bout: Foden Fan V, Geometric Tomato, and Kuya Will.
Salamat. Amen.
And inside the ring, in charge of the action at the bell, referee Foden Fan V. And now, for the hundreds of thousands watching around the lands of Earth, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Fighting out of the blue corner, wearing yellow, official weight 121 pounds, from Manresa, Quezon City, the Optimus Oppius Marquez. Fighting out of the red corner, wearing red, official weight 128 pounds, from Los Angeles, USA, the Sakura Striker, Shake his wife, Green Jam Gaming. The 2 fighters will now proceed with the referee for instructions.
Make sure hindi kayo nagkikiss ha. Huwag kayo mag-kiss.